In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add texture packs to Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download custom texture or resource packs to Minecraft Pocket Edition. As you can clearly see, I'm using the Barebones texture pack. Downloading these texture packs is simple, and I'm going to showcase the entire process. So first, you will have to download them from a specific website. So the website that I recommend using is MCPEDL. You don't have to use this particular one, but I believe it is the most popular and simple to use. There are a lot of reviews and a lot of things that you can find here, including, of course, resource packs. So if you visit the website and you go over to these three lines at the top, you will find texture packs, and you can opt for 16 by 16, 32 by 32, 64 by 64, and 128 by 128. Once you choose this option, you can now browse through all of the resource or texture packs that they have available. So choose a specific one, and you will be redirected into its page. You can sort them by popularity at the top, by latest, and a lot of other options. So once you choose a specific texture pack, you will see screenshots, videos, and all that you have to do here is go all the way down until you find the option to download. So it is going to be listed under downloads. Most of them will be a single file in the MC pack format. So download this file by tapping on the option to download. And once you have that file downloaded into your storage, you need to open it using some form of file manager. So I have File Manager Plus from the Play Store, and they are listed here. So all that we have to do now is tap on the MCPack file and choose the option to open with Minecraft. This will redirect us into the game, and you will see that the import has been started. I already have both of these texture packs, so they won't import for me, but if you have never installed one before, they will go through and you will find them available under Global Resources. All that you have to do now is activate them. To activate a specific texture pack, you must back out to the main menu and do it through the settings in here. So when you go to the home screen, go into Settings, Global Resources, and you will be able to change the resource packs that you have currently active. I hope I was able to help you on how to add texture packs to Minecraft Pocket Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.